What's up, everybody? This is Antoine Troupe. I am here with my very first YouTube tutorial. Never done it before, but I'm excited for this. I got some friends with me. I'm gonna have them go ahead and introduce themselves.
What's up, y'all? My name is Simone.
Hi guys, I'm Leehee.
What's good? I'm Liv.
Hi, I'm Elise.
And this is our yummy tutorial. Okay, here we go. First 8 count. We're gonna take it slow. Make sure you're grooving, make sure you're running it big, you're using your whole body, everything. Head included, have fun with it. So, we're gonna start kind of here, knees bent, open, wide. My stance is wide. This is my bounce here. I wanna keep a bounce the whole time. My arms are gonna be kind of here, my posture should be kind of ugly a little bit, but I like it. Pull your shoulders back, elbows kind of in, and I'm kind of swaying, gee. Just like that, your rib cage is kind of pushed out slightly. Now with that, I'm gonna hop on my right foot, and it's just a groove. I'm gonna go yee. And make sure you're hopping. Don't just do this, really hop. Boom, boom. From here, I'm gonna step on this right foot and come around. I'm gonna go right and up, step. This left foot steps here. From here, I'm gonna rotate this right knee, or this left knee in. It's gonna go circle up. And at the same time, I'm kind of pressing, I'm using my wrist, almost as if my wrist and my knee are connected. I'm gonna go yeet, yeet, yeet. And that wrist is actually gonna help you make that a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. You'll feel that. From here, I'm gonna bring this left arm over. I'm gonna go yeet, yeet. Really sharp, really clean. I just went yeet, yeet, yeet. I go yeet, yeet. From here, my legs are gonna go outie. And I'm kind of digging into that slightly. You don't have to be super dramatic with it, but I want to go outie and feet are opening, gee, gee, gee. And you'll hear that in the music also. It's like a woom, woom. So I'm going woom, woom. Take it back. We're here. Step. I go whoop, whoop, whoop to go gee, gee. Wrists are kind of pressed. My arms are like this. Here. My arms are going to go up and over my head, dancing really big. I'm going boom, boom. I'm gonna step out to the right and just clap, boom. Watch your posture this whole time. Give me angles. I want angles. Don't dance super flat with your shoulders squared off. I want an angle here. And I'm clapping across my body. From here, we'll go back in a minute, but from here, I wanna step with my left foot over in front of me, and I'm gonna open this chest up. Again, so I just went clap, stepping forward with your left foot, all my weight's in my right. I'm gonna go, woo. Open that up really big. My chest is just rotating from left to right. This left arm comes straight across. Keep the line. I'm not like here, 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 here. Keep it really clean. And this is coming up and over your head. And then I complete that line here, that shape here. So I'm going, woo. Here, hopping over my right shoulder. This right foot's gonna step, boom. And at the same time, I'm just bringing my arms in. Take it back. I just went, huh. I step, boom. From here, hopping over my right shoulder, crack. A little bit more, then we'll go back. I'm gonna go right, left, right, hop. This is gonna go heel, heel, step, boom. Again, the footwork is heel, heel, boom, boom. And I want to open this up with my body. My arms are opening up. I go 80 and up. Again. So that turn, after I go here, 7 and 80 and up. And that's our first 8 count. Let's go back really quick, slow from the top, and then we'll add on more. Here we go, from the top. 5. These are, I'm gonna give you the counts as well, as best as I can. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1 and 2 and 3. That part is really important. 1 and 2 and 3. You gotta speed those feet up. It's right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, here we go. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E, 5 and 6, 7, and A, D, and up. One more time, just like that from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, E, and 4, E, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, E, and up. Yeah! I felt good about it. That core was here. Boom. You gotta use your core, abs. Yeah. That's the first 8 count. Done. All right, here we go. We're done with our first 8. Here's the second. We only have 4 of them. You only got 3 more to go. That's it. So we're here. We just went A, D, and From here, I'm gonna go heel, toe, to then grab with the left hand. It's gonna catch the snare. Crack. Take it back. So I'm here. I just went A, D, and I'm gonna go 1 knee and 2. One more. So I'm here. A, D, and to go 1 knee and I kind of prep my arm here. I'm kind of going down. And make sure this is away from your body. You're not here, but kind of away from your body. I'm going 1 knee and angled here to then switch. Keep, grab that. This is all hip. This is gonna go pulley in. So I'm going in. Use your hip. That is coming from my hip. Geek. As this arm just slowly comes across. Boom, boom, boom. Take it back. From 80 and up. 5, 6, 7. 80 and up. 1 knee and 2 and 3. Pulling that. And 3. One more. From 80 and 6, 7. 80 and 1 knee and 2 and 3. From here, I'm gonna catch this 4 on the snare. This is 4 to go right, left, pull. So I'm just kind of crawling up my body. Right, left. This is gonna come over your head or kind of almost imagine pushing through this loop right here that your arm creates. Pull. I'm gonna toss this left foot out, toss it in. From here, as soon as I step here, I'm waving up my body. So I just went left, right to wave up, and I'm gonna pull through the shoulders. These arms drop and turn to then take me this way. Take it back. We just went 80 and up. 5, 6, 7. 80 and up. 1 E and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. I think I just lied.
No.
That was it?
That was it.
Yes. Again. From here, from 80 and up. 5, 6, 7. 80 and 1 E and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. From here, so I just went 7. I'm going to step on my right foot. I almost want to make this kind of like a glide a little bit. So I'm stepping onto my right, turning out, and pushing that left out. So I'm here. I just waved up my body, down to go. Push and these arms are really just super wavy, right to left. Not way up here or down here, but kind of just right here. I just went wave up to go down, to go right, left. One more time, here we go. So I just went roll up, down, and right, left. Ooh,
Angle check.
Yeah, there you go. Take it back. 80 and all right, here we go. 5, 6, 7. 80 and 1 E and 2 and 3, 4, 5 E and 6 E and 7, 8 and. Wow, so clean. I felt it. We looked great.
You looked great.
That's your second 8 count. We did it together. All right, let's go from the top. How does the top start? Ski, yes. Okay, let's go from the top and do our first 2 8 counts. Here we go. 5. I just got nervous. Oh no. Here we go. 5.
Go with the flow.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E. 5 and 6, 7 and 8 E and 1 E and 2 and 3, 4, 5 beat and a 6 beat and a 7, 8 and. Killed it. Killed it. Break. So we just went
8 and.
8 and. This is gonna go 1, bring this left foot up and around. I'm gonna bring this boom to go and step. Those counts are gonna go 1 and 2. Again. So we just went 8 and. This is gonna go boom, change, keep up, and kind of press into this right knee. And I'm waving that left hand out. From here I'm gonna step on this left foot, and I'm just going to kind of give me this groove here. So I'm going step and a step and a step and a step. So there's 4 of those. So I just went here, I went wave, bring the left foot over and around, step and wave. So as soon as I kind of like step here, boom, I want to wave that left arm up. From here, before we add arms, let's just get the groove, the body. I'm gonna go step, 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 step. So I want to have this rock, and I rock, open up, rotate, hey, yes, hey, yes. So the arms are gonna go. So I'm here. I'm kind of going. For girls, you're gonna go boom, boom, and up, and over your head. Guys, you're gonna keep it here, here, boom, boom. From here, this cuts off. So I just went 6. This is gonna go and 7 and 80 and 1. Again. So, girls, if you're coming over your head, the hands are gonna drop in front of your face. For the guys, you're here, so the hands are gonna come up. So, and what is that? So 1 and 2 and 3 going 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Yeah. So this is gonna go and 7 and 80 and smack 1. So the groove is going from the hips into the chest. Hey, 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 crack. Yes. Again from the top of this 8 count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 80 and 1 and. Okay. That's the third 8 count. That's it. We only got one more to go. So let's do it. Let's do it from the top. All 3 8 counts. Here we go. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 80 and 1.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. The last 8 count, the fourth 8 count, and we done. We out of here. Here we go. We go 1 and crack and boom, boom, crack. Again. So I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And just have a lot of character with that. And you just gotta believe it. Hey, hey, yes.
Ooh, that's fun as a client.
Ooh.
Character, no character.
From here I go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. From here I'm down. Make that really strong. Fists come out, strong arms. This is 5 beat and up. Yes, again. With 5 beat and up. From here I'm gonna go 6 C and. From here I'm gonna step on this right foot. So I'm just falling over to the left. So I just went boom, 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 boom. From here, I'm gonna go right, hop out on this left foot on the heel, and again from 5. So we're here, this is 5, E, and to go. Boom, boom, and hop, E, and heel, E, So we just went, this is 5. Let's go from 5. This is 5, E, and 6, E, and 7, and 8, E, From here, I'm following on to this. This is the last part, this last little groove. I'm gonna go rock, and rock, and So again, I'm going rock, rock. The hands are gonna go ziki. I don't know why, I just felt it. This is what I felt, gi.
When you have a feeling, you can't deny it.
You cannot deny it. Di. So I'm going, the hands are going shift and throw. Di. So I'm here, I'm gonna go rock, and rock, and again, I'm here. This is boom, boom, gi. That's it, people. That's your last 8 count. Let's go over that part. Let's go over that section, that last 8 count. One more time, slow. Then we'll go from the top. Here we go. 5. How's it start? Boom.
And 7.
Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah. So let's do the last 2 8 counts. Let's kind of just put them together, and then we'll go from the top. Here we go. 5. How's it start?
8 and.
Ski. 8 and. Yeah, you're right. And 8 and. So we just went 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3.
Woo! Period!
Okay, so that's it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments how you feel. If I should do more of these, whatever. Any critiques, any feedback, love it, appreciate it. So go ahead and just take what you've learned, go over it 1,000,000 times, then watch the class video that I posted on my channel, dance it with the dancers, hear it with the music, and that's it. Love you, appreciate you, subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff.